Let's see how we can write HTML code and see it inside a browser. And to do that, we have to understand few things first. To start writing HTML code, you have to keep few things in mind, that HTML contains two things. One is head, another one is body. So first one will be HTML. So just HTML, and inside that we will have a head and a body, just like that. But writing code like this, it's a long process. Like I can add a title here. Just let me show you first. Website title. Yeah, inside body, let's add a text. We can say hello world. Now if we save this, it will get saved. Now what I'll do, I'll just open it up with live server, and to do that, just right click here and open with live server, this one, and it will open it up for you in a browser. Yeah, so we have hello world here, as you can see, and that's what we wrote here. But the thing is, the more you learn code, the less you write. Yeah, it's true. So for that, just let me show you something. I'll just remove this. I'll type HTML. It's fine. So yeah, we have the HTML, we have head, we have body. We don't have to do anything. We'll just can type here as well, hello world. Save this, and we have the same output. Pretty obvious. Now things we have to check out, like a title, where we can see this. As you can see, it's here. Now if I change this to website title and save this, as you can see, now it's website title, and here we have hello world, the text we wrote before. Now if you see here, we have a language English, and this doc type is the HTML version, and right now we are using HTML5. Now this meta tags contains information. This is the character is UTF-8. It's for the character of the website, and this is for the content. But you don't have to waste much more time on this. Just keep this thing in mind, that this meta tag contains information about our websites, so that will be enough. So yeah, this is the all structure. Now before I proceed further, let me show you something. Suppose I have hello world again, and what I'll do, I'll just save this, and if I show you, we have two hello world. Okay, that's good, but we'll keep it here, and I'll just do this. It's what I did is like control and forward slash, and I'll do control Z to go backward. Also, so control Z will take you to backward if you have done something wrong. Maybe suppose you have written something wrong and you just want to remove that part, so you can do that. Like if I press Ctrl Z again, it will take me to the next line the way it was previously. And what control forward slash is doing here, it's commenting out this section. What is that? Like just let me show you. Let me save this. Now if we say this in browser, we have only one hello world, but here we have two. But this section is not visible in the browser. That's because we have commented out it, and that's what we do when we want to save information about the project. Like something like, just let me show you. If I cut it, Control X, and Control V, paste it here, and I write here printing. If I save this, you can see we don't have this printing hello world thing. We just write it to understand it later, like what we have done here. Maybe after some time, when you will return to this section and you will review this code. I know this this code has nothing to review, and it's very obvious, but I'm just giving you guys an example. Maybe suppose you are writing a long line of codes, and that time you can comment out few section, like what you can explain what you are doing. It will be easy for you guys to understand what actually you guys are doing. So now just let me give you a brief explanation about this code structure. So as you can see, we have head here and we have body. Whatever you will write in this head will never come in this section, like it will never be visible here. We will see the title here, and other things are about information, which we will discover later also, so don't worry about that. Now whatever you will type in this body section, it will be here in this section. So if I type, that's wrong, what's up, whatever. So if I see, as you can see, hello world, what's up. So whatever you will type, it will be here. That's not going to be a problem. And that's all about the code structure, and in next video we will see how we can work with heading, paragraph, and all other elements and tag. Until then, have a great day. I'll see you soon.